Okay, guys. Dr. Fraser here again, your wealth building partner. Today, I want to teach you how the five criteria on how to choose the best product on Clickbank. Okay. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're marketing on Clickbank, you need to know how to select the best product. If you don't know how to do that, you are going to be in trouble and your conversion is going to be very low. So today I'm going to show you the five criteria you need to know when you're selecting the best product on Clickbank. Okay, so number one, what you need to know is that the product must have a mass market appeal. What do I mean by that? So is there a need for the product? Does the product really has a good market? Do people need the product or not? Will the product deliver what it promises? Okay, so never sell a product that you are selling just for the sake of selling, because if you do that, remember, your reputation is on the line. So anything you promote online, your reputation is on the line. So don't just promote a product because you want to make a quick buck out of people. That is not good. So I say here, never sell a crappy product. Okay, don't sell crappy product because you want to sell them. It's not good. Your reputation is going to be on the line, and then your refund rate is going to be very high. So the product must have a very mass market appeal. It's a product people need, and to answer their problems why they are purchasing the product. Okay, very, very important. Number two, what you need to know, you must have a personal belief in the product. You cannot promote something that you cannot stand behind. Okay, whatever you are promoting, you should be able to stand behind it 100% with all. You can defend the product because you believe in the product. So you don't sell a product you don't believe in. Don't sell a product that you did not owe yourself. You must always own the product. Okay, buy the product, use the product so that you can stand behind it 100%. Okay, because if you can stand behind the product 100% and you are pushing the product, okay, you are selling it, people will see it in your eyes, they'll see it in your voice, and your sales will skyrocket. Your results will be very phenomenal. Okay, so make sure that you can stand behind the product. And if you are not using the product, don't sell it. That is my rule of thumb. Before, when I was a beginner in affiliate marketing, all my coaches were just picking up product for me to sell without even me using or buying the product. And I found out that, number one, my refund rate was very high. Number two, my conversion was not very, very high, and I couldn't really stand behind the product and could defend that it's a good product because I've not used it myself. But after a while, when I ran into a new mentor who taught me this strategy, now any product that I promote, I use the product myself, I buy the product myself. For example, right now I'm promoting a product that I can tell you 1,000% that this is the best product you have in the world, and I stand behind it and I push it with confidence because I know it will answer the questions that you have in your mind. It will help you solve the problem that you have today. So make sure you can stand behind a product. And one thing I also always say is that, can I look right into my best friend's eyeballs, okay, and tell him that this is the best product? If you cannot do that, if you cannot recommend a product to your mother or your brother or your very best friend, then do not promote that product. That product will not sell for you, or even if it sells, you are going to have a high refund rate. So that is number two. Criteria number three, and getting back to criteria number two, if you don't buy your own product, don't expect others to buy the product. So if you don't buy it and use it, why do you expect other people to buy it, right? So that is another thing you got to know. Number three, is the product part of a product suite? And let me explain that to you. For example, Apple is making billions of dollars online, or Harley Davidson, they're making a lot of money. Apple is not making money just from iPhone, all right? Because they have other products, which is a part of a product suite. They have the iPad, they have the iTunes, they have the computers, they have different products. So even though they sell cell phones or iPhones, they have different product suites that are interrelated. So when you are selecting a product, are there other associates products that are interrelated so that you can sell one to complement the other to increase your income? if you can find a product like that, then that is what you're looking for. Okay. Number 4, the compensation plan. Of course, most people, the first thing they look at is a compensation plan. But as you can see here, I put a compensation plan on number 4 because that is not the most important thing. Because if the first two criteria, that is the mass appeal, the need for the product, and personal belief is not there, it doesn't matter what a compensation plan is. You are not going to get a very high conversion in your choice of the product on Clickbank, and then for that matter, your sales. Okay, so I look at a compensation plan. Can I earn money on it? How much percentage can I earn on the product when I sell it? Okay, how much can I make on it? And is there a multiple streams of income? Okay, multiple streams of income. If there is a multiple streams of income to the product, that's awesome. Now, some products have multiple streams of income, some others don't, but you should look for multiple streams of income within the product. Okay, very important. And then last but not the least is the future and the scalability of the product. And what do I mean by that? Is there a future for the product, or is it going to die soon in a few months? Okay, in a few months it's going to die away, because some products come on the market and within like 6 months they are gone, they're no longer there. So if you build your sales funnel around that product, what's going to happen is that those sales, the product will vanish from the marketplace because it's not fulfilling the need of the customers, and so you spend money building the sales funnel and then you just waste your money. So make sure that there's a feature of the product. The product is here to stay for a long time, and I can tell you, one of the products I'm promoting right now is here to stay for the next 20, 30, 40 years. So these are the 5 criteria you should look for when you are selecting the best product on Clickbank. Now, if you want to join me in promoting the best product that we have here right now on Clickbank, I have a link below this video. You want to work with me personally? Yes, you can click on the link and see what I'm doing and become part of my team, and I'll coach you exactly how you can be successful in not only in Clickbank, but how to select a good product in Clickbank and how to really be successful with affiliate marketing. So again, the link is below this video. Click on it and take a peep at what I'm doing and bringing success to myself and my team. This is Dr. Fraser again. I am your wealth building partner, and I'll see you on my next video.